Hi! Today I wanted to fix the headlight bulb on Kia Sedona. I'll take this screwdriver bit and this set of bits too. Let's first remove 2 bolts. I don't have magnet bit, so I'll leave it for later. Another one. Much easier. Now before removing first bolt, I need to unscrew the plastic cover. Better to use something else, not nails, to pry up this plastic screws. Now carefully lift up this cover, trying not to drop the bolt that was left. Unless you used magnet bit already. Please don't fall. Yes, I got it. Now carefully removing the whole headlight by pulling out. Like that. Open this cap by rotating counterclockwise. Then rotate this light bulb also counterclockwise and pulling it out carefully. Yes, it looks burned out. Opening new one. No, I think it was a wrong side. It's better not to touch the bulb with your fingers. That was the right way. Checking if the new bulb the same as the old one. Carefully installing the new bulb. It needs to be twisted clockwise so the 2 metal connectors go all the way with a click. Click like this. Placing the cap back and rotate clockwise also. The moment of truth. Miracle! It's working. The light temperature is about the same. Let's put it back. Carefully push it like this until it clicks. Placing the plastic cover back. Installing the plastic screws like this. Hold it in place and screw it down. I need to be careful to not drop this bolt. No way. I dropped it. Anyway, I decided to continue. No, I cannot reach it, unfortunately. We'll be taking out plastic screws again. Luckily, it didn't go too far, so I screwed it a bit with my fingers and continued with a screwdriver. It got stuck. Let's try again. Make sure to undo the screw before installing. Looks like the job is done now. Thank you for watching.